Hey guys! So I found a grave site in the front yard, and I asked the police department to come check it out. So we did a little digging, and we found a casket in the ground.
Let's get this down to the station.
I wonder what's inside.
Arf, arf! You may recall that I turned the hoarder house into an antique store.
Daddy, I want this fireplace mantle now.
I'm sorry, sweetie, but I think it's way too expensive. I'm afraid we can't buy it.
Daddy, I want it now!
Excuse me, young man. How much does this fireplace mantle cost?
I don't know, bruh. I just work here. Like, how's $8,000?
That is very, expensive.
$20 if I don't have to help you move it, bruh.
Daddy, please, no, Daddy, no!
Now that the meth lab has been removed, I can get started with the first floor renovations. All of the wallpaper and flooring will need to be replaced. In addition, the staircase is a death trap, and the home does not feature a front door. In fact, I don't even know how I got inside. Now that animal control has removed the cats, I have a new problem. The house is now infested with mice and rats. They're on the first floor, the second floor, and, oh, fortunately, the attic seems to be clear. Oh, never mind. They're everywhere. Dear, if we bought this bathtub, I could use it as an outdoor planter for my begonias.
Fine, sweetie, I'll get it down the stairs. Get this bathtub out. Wait, what? Oh.
Sweetie, is the bathtub okay?
Yes, dearie. The bathtub is okay, but what about me?
I don't mean you. I mean the bathtub. Is the bathtub okay?
Don't you mean me?
No, I mean the bathtub. Don't you mean me? No, I mean the bathtub.
I need a doctor.
Good news, Mr. Smythe. I do believe your ear infection has improved.
I'm not here for an ear infection. I fell down the stairs and a bathtub landed on me.
Look, dear, I brought you a little snack.
Woman, you owe me an apology.
It's not my fault you don't know how to move a bathtub properly. To remove the mice and rats, I've hired this gentleman who owns a local extermination business. Sir, are those proper gloves, or are you wearing freezer bags on your hands?
You know, lady, I'm a bit offended. I'm not the one with a rat civilization in my house. I mean, who else is gonna take this on?
It's okay. It's okay.
I could be free too someday.
Okay, so soon I'm going to get started fixing the landing, and I'm going to paint this blue wall white in order to make it more neutral. I wonder if I need to paint the inside of this window seat.